Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites. Make sure your account is logged in and linked to the right platform so purchases sync. Once done, verify you have the required currency, real money or in-game tokens, because transactions fail without funds. Next, open the store or event menu and find the Wren Brightblade bundle page. This is where offers, price, and timer appear. Doing these first steps prevents hiccups later and puts you straight into the purchase flow with no wasted time. Once you've reached the bundle page, compare options, deluxe versus standard, and what each includes, because you want the best value for your spend. Make sure to enter promo codes or apply subscription discounts before confirming, otherwise refunds are harder. If the bundle requires completing quests, use the in-game tracker to finish those prerequisites now. That avoids purchase blocks. Keep an eye on purchase confirmations and receipts so you can verify each included item appears in your inventory after finish by confirming checkout details, selected payment method, final price, and that you received a digital receipt or order ID, save it. Once purchase is processed, open your mailbox or inventory and redeem the Wren Brightblade bundle assets, then equip the skin and items in your loadout so you can play immediately. If something is missing, relog and check transaction history. If still unresolved, contact support with your order ID and a brief description. That order ID is the single most useful tool for quick resolution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.